How to delete comments on threads. Hi everybody, welcome back to a new video. In this video we're gonna learn how we can delete comments on threads. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can do it. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. So if you want to delete your comments in threads, first of all, launch your threads application onto your device. After you are done launching the threads application onto your device, you just need to head over to your profile at the bottom right. After heading to your profile at the bottom right, you can find different options here like threads, replies and repost. So your comments are basically the replies that you have commented, like this one right here. On this post I have commented something like this. So in order to delete the comment, you will be finding all of the comments here. So you're just gonna get here. After that, tap on the three dot and you can find the delete option here. Just tap on delete, confirm the delete, and that particular comment should be deleted from that particular post very easily. So therefore, you may also follow the same process in order to delete the comment from others' post. So I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.